So the uvula is on your throat. Is the back on your throat. Wait. I saw it. Let's go into a brighter thing. Like here. Did you see it? That makes you speak. It can move around because there's a muscle inside of it, and then if you touch it, you will immediately do this. That's my uvula. So it actually helps you speak. That's how. The uvula can even move when you swallow food. So it can't go into your nose. That's how.